Hello student, myself Jamin Patel from Electrical Engineering Department. Today we learn the subject electrical power generation and the topic is hydropower plant. Let's see the content. First one, elements of hydropower plant. Second, classification of hydropower plant. Third, advantages of hydropower plant. And fourth, disadvantages of hydropower plant. Let's discuss elements of hydropower plant. First one, catchment area. So in hydroelectric power plant, collect the rainwater through the surrounding hilly area. The surrounding all water collect and stored area to those place is known as the catchment area. Second, reservoir. So the function of reservoir is to store the water near the dam. This water is useful to drive the water turbines and the reservoir is useful to provide a head of stored water. Third one, dam. So the dam is used in hydropower plant to store the water. Whenever the dam stored the water, it provides suitable head to this stored water. Fourth, spillway. So the excess water from the dam discharged through spillway at permissible level. Fifth, penstock. It is a device which is used in hydropower plant for the purpose of flow of water. The water flow from the dam towards the turbine with the help of penstock. It converts the potential energy of water into kinetic energy. Sixth, tunnel. So the passage of flow water from the dam is called the tunnel or intake. Waterways may be in the form of canal or tunnel or penstock. Seventh, surge tank. It is a device which is connected in between dam and powerhouse. It is used to avoid or to prevent the turbine against the water hammer effect. 8. Forebay. It is an enlarged body of water at the intake to store the more quantity of water. It is nothing but the regulating reservoir. The forebay is useful as the surge due to the change in the load occurs. 9th, valve house. It is installed near the powerhouse. Its function is to start or stop the flow of water towards the turbine. 10th, powerhouse. Its main function is to produce electrical power. For that purpose, the turbine or prime mover is mechanically coupled to the generator. 11th, turbine. It converts the kinetic energy of water into the mechanical energy. 12th, draft tube. It is used in hydropower plant near the turbine. Its main function is to press the water and its pressure is increases. Depends upon the type of turbine, draft tube is required. 13th, generator. It is used to convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. For that purpose, the turbine and generator are coupled mechanically together. 14th, tail race. After generation, the remaining water discharged to the river or lake through the tail race. From the ground level to the turbine, some height is maintained to discharge the water. Let's discuss about the classification of hydropower plant. In that first one, based on head of water. In that first one, high head plant. So the plant in which the head of water is above 300 meter is called high head plant. Second, medium head plant. The plant in which the head of water is between 60 meter and 300 meter is called the medium head plant. Third, low head plant. The plant in which the head of water is less than 60 meter is called the low head plant. Second, based on the condition of water. In that first one, runoff river plant without pond. So in this type of hydropower plant, the available water from the river or lake is not stored in the pond. Whenever the water is available from the river or lake, it is directly used to run the water turbine. The capacity of such plant depends upon the rate of flow of water. Such type of plant may run during the rainy season. Second, runoff river plant with pond. In this plant, the available water from the river or lake is stored in pond. Due to this, the storage water in the pond, it is useful to run the plant during off period or peak period. The capacity of such type of plant is depend upon the size of pond. Third one, reservoir plant. So this type of plant is totally different from the above two plants. In this type of plant, reservoir is provided. This reservoir is useful to store an ample quantity of water during the rainy season, and this is useful throughout the year. Such type of plant has a better capacity. This type of plant may be used as a base load station. Majority of the hydropower plants are of this type. Third one, based on operation. In that first one, manual plant. In such power plant, the machines are not automatic but are operated by the operators. Second, automatic plant. In this type of power plant, the operation is automatic. This requires less number of persons. Fourth one, based on type of load. In that first one, base load plant. So this type of plant operates throughout the year and supplies the most of load. Runoff river plants without pond works as the base load plant. Second, peak load plant. This type of plant operates only when the load demand is peak. Runoff river plant with pond works as the peak load plant. Let's discuss about the advantages of hydropower plant. So first one, no fuel is used. Second, operating cost is less. Third one, maintenance cost is less. Fourth one, standby losses are less. Fifth one, small building is needed. Sixth one, plant can be start and stop quickly. Seventh one, there is no pollution. Eighth one, it does not require highly skilled engineers. Let's discuss the disadvantages of hydropower plant. In that first one, initial cost is very much high. Second, transmission loss increases. Third one, cost exceeds the estimated cost. Due to it requires the more time for completion. And fourth one, the capacity of plant depends upon the quantity of water. Let's see the assignment question. First one, list out the different elements of hydropower plant and write down their function. Second, explain the classification of hydropower plant in detail. Third one, write down the advantages of hydropower plant. Fourth one, note down the disadvantages of hydropower plant. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJPEC-ELE, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.